your family grow up in this?
Check this out. Hell no, my family ain't grew up, nigga. I'm a motherfucking black sheep, nigga. I'm a black sheep, nigga. I'm the only one, nigga. I'm my family, nigga. All my family graduated, nigga. I said, fuck that.
Fuck graduating, fuck scholarships. Fuck the teachers that told me that leading was a hit or miss. Diamond in the rough. Man, I hate this pressure shit. Life versus me, like my shit was never meant for it. Used to work at Hollister, had to go and quit it, bruh. Couldn't handle 9 to 5s, I needed something different, cause I be a different type of guy. Please know this before I die. Wait a second, hold up.
I'm from that motherfucking west side.
Hit my bitch in Bed-Stuy. Don't you know I bet lies? I don't play them petty games. That be for them pet guys. Speeding through my life. This is everything I write. Fuck your standards and your manners. Never worry about your likes. Think I'm ya? Word up to my London chick. She done told me that the old me stuck up in a sunken ship. Well, I'm glad, let me pass. Working like I need a tip. I'm that motherfucking nigga with that motherfucking shit. Got 600 to my name, 3 is for these beats. Other half is if I end up broke up in these fucking streets. I ain't angry, I'm just raging, let my stress out. I'm just pacing, dreams be what the fuck I'm chasing. See, success is what I seek, like wow. Hey, tell me what the dealio. Fucking with somebody who don't fuck with you is silly, bro. Skin is like she Reese's, doing 3 lines like Adidas. And I be so northwest, you think my father's name was Jesus? Silly nigga, what you think? Me plus your chick is a perfect match and you cannot debate. I'm that boy like I'm rich, plus I'm casing like I'm Nick. I got hoes in different coats and they wanna hear me spit like boop, 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 boop.
Yo, I'm here. Oh, pussy. I'm say no can't see we in this bumble clot, dude. That's straight pussy. I'm say none.
On this bus, currently writing up this song. Passengers keep staring at me cause I'm mumbling all alone. Wonder if society trying to help her take me out my zone. Be you, not them. Please don't cling on to the clones, man. My niggas getting married, my niggas having babies. And I feel kiddish, spending moolah on the dreams I'm chasing. I guess it's heaven sent, don't need the evidence. I probably should've saved my savings just to pay my debt. Patience be the key, and your future be the lot. Know your dreams is like it's heaven, everybody want a spot. So dream on until your time's up on the clock. Don't give up no matter what, you see this dream is all you got. Look, Justin keep it kosher, so I do what I'm supposed to. I'm lost up in this beat, I think I might end up on posters. Girls be the controllers, try to catch us like Ebola. These hoes is all plastic like my grandmama's sofa, nigga.